In this tutorial, we will learn how to run our WordPress website on our computers. The first thing that we need is to install the Bitnami WordPress application. If you go to bitnami.com, then click on Applications, you see the application catalog. Click on WordPress, and over here, we could download the installer, which contains a web hosting server application together with WordPress packed into one simple file. Click on this installer and download it. Okay, so you need to create an account to download this software. So let's just go ahead and do that. So once you have downloaded Bitnami WordPress application, let's go ahead and install it. For this, just go ahead and check both of them and click Next. It will be installed in your C drive, not under your Program Files folder. It will create a folder called Bitnami. And this is where you need to create an administration account for you to log into your WordPress website. So for this, I'm just gonna use this name and this email address. And for login, which is the username, I always like to use the word admin for my administration account. You could use any name that you want. And for the password, I'm just going to keep it simple by using a very simple password. So this is the name that you want to give to your website. I'm just going to use this name. For now, let's just go ahead and say yes. So the Gmail address that I will be using for this tutorial is Kudora-demo. Now, the sensitive thing here is that this password will be saved in a text file in WordPress installation. So that means that your password will be visible in that text file. So you may not want to use a Gmail account that you want to reveal the password. You could always use any other alternative Gmail account that you have. This one, we can just leave it unchecked and proceed and click Next to begin installation. This process may take a while, so please be patient. So that's it. Installation is complete. Once you've completed your Bitnami WordPress installation, you will see two pop-ups. One is this, which is a landing page for your Bitnami installation. It is accessible here at this IP address 127.0.0.1 or localhost. To access your WordPress, you just click on this link here, Access WordPress. The second pop-up that you'll notice is this box over here. This is actually the Bitnami application running on your computer. The reason why we install Bitnami on our PC is because, well, I'm assuming that you do not have a web hosting account with a web hosting provider. So the easiest way for us to learn WordPress is by converting our computer into a web hosting server. So Bitnami does that very elegantly for us. So if you click on the Manage Servers tab, you will see that there are two separate servers running within Bitnami. One is the MySQL database server, and the other one is the Apache web server. You actually need both of these servers running in order to run Bitnami on your computer. Now let's just say I stop this Apache web server, and if I refresh this page, you see that Bitnami actually disappears. If I turn this back on again, and Bitnami is back